small facility. The floor is wet, causing him to slip and fall. Footage from inside a mine shows a mine elevator moving a few meters to an upper level. A miner who did not notice the movement believed the elevator was still docked at his level. He proceeds to push a heavy-wheeled cart toward the elevator shaft. When the cart reaches the edge of the opening where the elevator deck should have been, it rolls over the lip and plunges down the shaft. A man is attempting a dangerous stunt by sitting on and sliding down the metal handrail of a staircase. The end result was clearly not good. Never operate a forklift with an unstable, improperly stacked, or unsecured load when transporting things. Avoid sudden sharp movements. Sudden acceleration, as seen in the video, creates inertia that can easily overcome the friction, holding the upper layers of the load in place. This video is a very serious and dangerous example of the consequences of poor demolition planning and failure to account for structural collapse dynamics. Do not begin demolition without a thorough, professionally engineered plan that details the sequence of material removal and the predicted collapse vector. Workers must never wear loose-fitting clothing, jewelry, neckties, or have long, untied hair when working near or operating any machinery with exposed, moving, rotating, or reciprocating parts. A concrete pouring operation results in a major collapse with the support structure failing under the load. This is a clear warning that formwork must be properly supported and constructed to handle the weight of concrete. This incident vividly demonstrates the severe consequences of driving a dump truck with its bed raised, resulting in a collision with an overhead pipe. Open excavations require immediate and proper guarding or covering to eliminate the risk of falls. This video highlights a critical safety incident involving a calendar machine's roles as machinery operates. Its moving parts create severe entanglement and pinch point hazards. Fortunately, a vigilant colleague was able to quickly activate the emergency stop button, preventing a more serious outcome. This is not how you should remove an old air conditioner. A car rolls from an upper deck to a lower one on a ferry. Thankfully, no injuries occurred. This incident serves as a critical warning. Vehicles must be fully secured on all ferry decks, neglecting proper chalking and tie-downs risks not only vehicle damage but also serious accidents. Witnessing this workpiece slip and fall during a lifting operation underscores multiple failures in material handling. Large, heavy pipes or similar cylindrical objects must be stored securely, often requiring dunnage or specialized racks to prevent rolling. A molten metal explosion occurs, often due to water contamination. This highlights the extreme danger and absolute need for strict moisture control. The crane operator's precise and calm emergency response as per protocol was crucial in managing the blast. This emphasizes the vital role of clear procedures and well-trained personnel in hazardous environments. Fortunately, nobody was injured. The forklift's load was raised too high and far beyond its rated capacity. That shift in weight caused it to tip forward instantly, overloading or lifting too high. A man climbs a ladder that's been placed on the bed of a motorized tricycle. No stabilization, no supervision. This is a textbook example of unsafe ladder use. Every time two workers lean into a punching press, which suddenly activates and cycles just inches from them, presses must never run while someone is in the danger zone. Always follow lockout procedures, use two-hand controls, and keep safety systems active. The worker was suspended in a man basket attached to a crane, performing tasks on a bridge column, when flames and smoke suddenly erupted above. Fortunately, he was lowered to the ground and brought to safety before the situation escalated further. In this video, a crane lifts a heavy beam at an angle, a dangerous practice known as diagonal lifting. In this footage, we see a major safety violation. An open shaft with no barriers, no warning signs, and no protective measures. Unloading cargo. Outdoors, a truck accidentally touched a high-voltage power line, causing a massive fire. The worker was very lucky to escape unharmed. Always check for overhead power lines before operating large vehicles, and always maintain a safe distance from high-voltage areas. Three-wheeled truck fully loaded with logs falls from a ramp after the driver turns the wheel in the wrong direction. While reversing, never place luggage or any heavy item on an escalator without holding it firmly. As this video shows, unattended luggage is very unstable and can tip, fall, and become a dangerous projectile that can cause harm to anyone in its path. Never stand in the immediate vicinity of a raised forklift load. The cargo is not properly secured on the forks and became unstable, beginning to tilt. The worker's instinct to try and catch the falling load is too dangerous, and a key reason why you must always stay clear in this video. A man is seen getting off a train and onto the platform due to his intoxication. He stumbles and loses his balance, falling right through the narrow gap between two of the train cars as the train leaves the station. The man somehow manages to take cover under the platform. Miraculously, he survives and is helped back onto the platform by another man, appearing to have no injuries. These road barriers are designed to be a visual warning and to block off dangerous areas. Not to support weight, their integrity is critical, and low-quality barriers can easily bend or break. A man is seen working in a dug trench the side of the road. He leans over the hole with the upper part of his body inside. After a while, his colleague comes to check on him, and everything appears to be fine. Just a few seconds after the colleague leaves, the man becomes stuck and struggles to get out but is unable to. Forklifts are regulated machines. Not all are the same, and each requires specific training. Certification isn't just a formality. Operators must fully understand their equipment before getting behind the controls. Safety gear isn't optional, especially in high-risk zones. Visitors like employees need proper protective equipment and a clear understanding of factory hazards. Stay clear of moving machinery and hot materials to prevent serious injury inside a wind turbine tower. Some bolts start falling from above, striking the floor with visible sparks. The workers were wearing helmets and instinctively took cover. Both actions likely saved their lives. Fortunately, no one was injured. This is a critical failure at an automated terminal. The container's twist locks were not disengaged from the truck. Whether manual or automated pre-lift checks are non-negotiable, always verify all securing mechanisms are released to prevent lifting vehicles, catastrophic equipment damage, and serious injury. Fortunately, no person was harmed. Forklift operators should always drive in reverse when a load obstructs their forward view. Pedestrians must use designated walkways and crosswalks. Both operators and pedestrians must always be aware of their surroundings. Forklifts should also be equipped with audible warning signals such as a horn or a flashing light. This video is a powerful demonstration of the catastrophic risks involved in the erection of large metallic structures. Without proper engineering, the erection of a structural steel framework must be made with a certified detailed engineering plan that specifies all temporary bracing, shoring, and sequencing. A three-wheeled utility cart is seen driving down a hallway approaching an elevator entrance that is poorly blocked by temporary cardboard. The cart fails to stop as it reaches the opening and drives straight through the inadequate barrier. This video powerfully illustrates the risk workers face when their standing position is too close to suspended loads areas, directly under or in the potential swing path of materials. Like these steel coils are very dangerous, it's crucial for personnel to recognize these danger zones and always maintain a safe distance. Moving conveyor belts create dangerous pinch and nip points. Always ensure machinery is properly guarded and never reach into operating equipment. Fortunately, in this case, the worker reacts quickly to help his colleague. This video highlights the danger of working with unsecured heavy materials, even when stored on racks as the workers attempt to access the sheets. The stack becomes unstable and collapses. Always ensure heavy sheets are safely stored, potentially using bracing or straps, and that retrieval methods don't compromise the stability. This video shows the direct consequences of worker fatigue on a job site where an operator falls asleep at the controls of active machinery. The uncontrolled equipment then collides with scaffolds, causing a collapse of materials. A container ship's mooring line snaps under high tension. The line recoils violently and hits a worker who was standing in the danger zone. Fortunately, the line struck the edge, first reducing its force. Mooring lines under tension are incredibly dangerous. The worker lights a hydrogen balloon with a lighter. Attempting a quick fix, the flame ignites the leaking gas, causing an instant fireball. Never use open flames near flammable gases. One punching and shearing press for workers. 0 safeguards, no interlock. No synchronized multi-button control. No light curtain. A sensor grid that stops the machine. If you break the infrared beam, just cost cutting and overloaded operators. It's not a freak accident. It's designed failure.